Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our FWISD employee account. So let's get started. To log into your FWISD employee account, what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for FWISD employee login. And from here what you can do is just log into your account. So to log into your employee account, what you can do is just tap on this first option which says employee portal. And now what you can do is just tap on any one of these options. So to access any one of these options, first what you have to do is just log into your employee account. For example, I'll tap on this option. Now if I'll just log into my account, then only I can access those options. So now what you have to do is just simply enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and by doing so you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So just recover your account's password and then come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have recovered and tap on login. Then tap on sign in. Now for tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your FWISD employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.